Look at this, everybody. And the storm's not even here yet. And we're getting 40, 50 mile an hour winds right now. And they just sent everybody home. So, yeah, this is nuts, man. So prayers for Slidell. Anybody else affected, man? Slidell got wrecked. And and look at this, how choppy the Escambia Bay is right here. So this wind is just freaking amazing. So hopefully no tornadoes. The straight line winds can be up to 60, 70 miles an hour. So we're not even in hurricane season yet. Jeez. Stay safe, everybody. Wow.
Joseph and I were discussing a little bit earlier on.
Okay, these are the storms moving through Pensacola. You see right there.
Let's take a look here. Jack, bring me to the key here. So this is something. This is what we call the severity.
Zero visibility and rain was all over the place. My car was shaking.
Level 105. So as we take a look at this, you can see we've got.
I got to this point in Conspire Punch train that kind of lifted a little bit and went up.
Around here.
So this guy was caught in the tornado.
Marginal, as we're expecting some thunderstorms. Occasionally we get just no surprise with that. Yesterday we were under the enhanced. Today, not yesterday, but for today, and then at around 11:30 this morning, the center changed.
There it is. It's called for a tornado warning. So